McDonald's Big Mac was the second recipe I made for the Top Secret Recipes books. I'm going to show you how you can make this world famous hamburger at home. I'm going to go into this McDonald's here. This is my favorite McDonald's in Vegas. Pick up the real thing, and I'll meet you back in the lab. Special sauce, easy. Half a cup of mayonnaise, French dressing, relish, sweet pickle relish, a little minced onion, sugar, vinegar, white vinegar, some salt. Mix it up. Look at that. Beef, baby. Need to turn this into fast food burgers, which are very thin. People at home, this pisses me off. People at home, when they make burgers, it's like this. Here's my burger. All right, put that on the grill. Disgusting. This makes terrible burgers at home. I don't know why people do this. The ratio of meat to other ingredients is totally off. You want to make a fast food burger, I'll show you how to do it. You want to get like 2 ounces of beef, so it's not a lot of beef. This is how it works. This is how they roll at McDonald's. And so you roll this into a ball like about the size of a golf ball. That's about 2 ounces right there. Perfect. Throw this down on your wax paper and then flatten it. You want to flatten it like Play-Doh, baby. You want to flatten it and then take your fingers and tap in the edges. And as you go around, and you'll get a sort of round, somewhat manufactured looking, very extremely flat hunk of ground beef. Is that good? Is that good? You like this? Take another piece of wax paper, pop it over the top, flatten a little more, spank it, pop it in the freezer. Next, buns. Double-decker hamburger. Remember this? Double-decker hamburger, we got to make a middle bun. They don't make those in the stores. They don't sell those in the stores. We have to make them ourselves. Okay, hold down and slice through and watch your finger. Ah! Just kidding. Yeah, see? Nice and solid. That's what you want. Pop a pan on the stove. You can use a flat griddle, whatever. Saute pan. Preheat it. Bang them right into the pan. Take off all the wax paper. And then add just a little salt on each one and a little bit of pepper. That's it. Got about a minute, 2 minutes. Flip them. Done. You need about a half tablespoon on the bottom. This is the bottom bun. And the middle bun. Little onion on each of these. Lettuce on here. This is it. This is my big moment. Cheese goes on the bottom bun. The pickle slices go on the middle bun. Now watch this. Pay attention. This goes up here. This is important. Okay, and then your crown, the top bun, goes on top of this. Oh baby. I need fries. I need some McNuggets. I need a Coke. I need a Happy Meal. I need to play in the ball pit.